Thank you. I want to put this on a different time frame too. Also, he's freaking out because the time frame is too sharp.
15-4.
There we go. Oh my God. Pop it.
Pop it. It's like a hockey stick.
Awesome.
Oh, baby.
All in. All in.
Come over here, join our Telegram group. We are growing quickly. In the description below. Alright, it's not a cold group. Oh.
15-7.
Whoa. Hold up. It's starting.
Want to green screen yourself?
No.
Okay.
I got a microphone running, so you can hear us in the background. Oh, wait, I don't have desktop audio.
Because he's like, he can hear you on the microphone too? Or
No.
Oh.
Hey, we had enough time. Everybody
had time. God damn it! Is it starting? Hold up.
Okay, 15.
Wait. Hold up. Wait. I told you. Hold up. Wait. Oh. Hold up. Hold up. You used to call me on my cell phone. Hold up. We need a better view of this. We need, oh. You see that? Oh. Comment your snacks down below. Shout out, comment your snacks down below. And comment where you watching from. Oh. Hold up.
On Coinbase, it's just like.
Jesus. Hold up. It's trying. Oh.
Where are we?
15.
Oh.
7 to 15-9.
Hold up. What?
He's doing this for a couple hours. It's going at 20.
Hold up. Let's see how the altar reacting. Hold up. Hold on. Is Coinbase broken? Is Coinbase broken yet? Is Coinbase broken yet? Let me know. Hold up. I got enough snacks for everybody. Hold up. What I say? Hold up. People are getting fearless. People are getting fearless real quick. They're giving the CBOE the finger. Hold up. I like to see how it's breaking down on each chart.
Nice.
All right.
5-9.
Yo. Oh man, I might have to sell some more. Even though I am a hardcore hodler, I've been doing this for 3 years, a long time. But if this thing goes where I think it's gonna go, I'm shaving some off the top. I don't care. Hello. You do what's good for you. But if this thing breaks 20K in the next few days, mind you, I tweeted out, follow me on Twitter at @ChaseThatCoin. I tweeted out $27,000 Bitcoin next week. If this thing keeps going crazy tonight, right? And then we wake up in the morning and then, all of the news publications are talking about the Tumblebit wallet and Bitcoin getting anonymity. Boom. Roadman Shack.
Hey, Paul. Hey, everyone. I am upstairs entertaining, so I'm just running down here one more time to say hi. But, yeah, I'm not going to be talking too much right now. Well, nice pop here. I want to move it to the... let me check out the 1 minute chime frame here.
I'm not putting these snacks down yet because it's... Hold on, wait. Let's get back to it. What am I doing?
All right, that's a little...
Hold up. It's getting crazy. Usually...
All right.
So at this channel, for those of you who are new,
be
We
back.
talk fundamentals. We talk technicals. We talk. Oh my! God damn it! I can't even plug the channel. I can't plug the channel right now. All right. We talk technicals. We talk fundamentals. All right. We talk Bitcoin hodling. We talk altcoin hodling. I've been doing this for a while. 3 years in February 5th, I think. Will make 3 years since I've owned my first Bitcoin. I've had the pleasure to work with a lot of great people. Ty Zen, Leon Fu, Adam Meister, Crush the Street, Ken Bozak, Omar Bam, one time on Ty's channel. That was cool. Charles Hoskinson. And you know why this is so crazy? You know why I think that the futures traders are going to go with Bitcoin, right? Because I personally, right, I got into Bitcoin when it was $220. I didn't think Bitcoin was going to be this talked about
Straight to
or
the moon, Bitcoin all the way
this
out.
big so quickly,
All the way
right? That's
out.
one of the reasons why I kind of
It's
felt
all the
comfortable,
way out.
or not comfortable, but okay
It's
with
all the
taking a
way
little break
out.
away from my
Straight to
channel
the moon,
when
Bitcoin
I
all the
was going
way
through my
out. What you
meditation
want
time.
is what you
I said, you
need.
know what, I stayed
Your
crypto
fiat's
for
losing
less
value each and every week.
I never thought it was easy to
Money
do.
for these coins, we ain't
And
never
the trend
sleep.
is
You
upward.
put your faith in banks, I put my
The
faith in
trend
me.
is upward.
Get gold, get silver, get Bitcoin. It's all
If
the
it's coming
way
from the
out.
bottom
What you
left,
want
it's
is
going
what
towards
you
the top right.
need.
It's in the
Because
uptrend.
what you
If
want
it's
is what
coming
you
from
need.
the top left,
Because what you
towards the
want
bottom
is
right,
what you need.
over
It's
my
all the
all
way
market
out.
is in an uptrend. It is
It's
better
all
if you
the
do it
way
on a higher
out.
time frame, right? So you
It's
really
all
see
the
the
way
trend,
out.
right? Look at
All
that.
the
Bitcoin
way
is in
out.
overall uptrend.
Straight to the moon, Bitcoin
Yes, it's
all the
very
way
vertical.
out. To the banks with
If I
fast
switch it to
cars
a
and
log,
Rolexes. While our money's in banks but earning no interest. They've been watching our money but being so reckless. Had to make a withdrawal, it's getting so
I think
ridiculous.
it's like
Time to invest in new things.
This is
Satoshi
like,
Nakamoto, we ain't talking about bling.
This is a movie
Cryptocurrency
that came
price
out.
be flying like wings. Champion
Yeah, this is
stacky,
good.
I got a few coins and it's all the way up.
Good.
All the way up. Prolonics don't shut. Nah, it don't shut.
There's no
Next
technical
year's
analysis
price,
I
I
can
don't
do
know
on this.
what it is, but I'm pointing to
Taco
the
Bell,
chart and
Florida,
say,
West Africa,
go all
what's
the
up,
way
guys?
up.
London,
It's all the way up. It's all the way up.
that Taco
It's
Bell
all the
was
way
funny.
up. Straight
Texas,
to
what's
the
up,
moon,
Texas?
Bitcoin all the way
Florida,
up.
is Florida in the building? Was New York in the building?
Yeah. Get that Bitcoin. Get your Bitcoin. Yeah. Get your Ether.
It is jumping like crazy. This is very reminiscent, and it reminds me
Shout out to
of
Litecoin.
the Forex market on news events, or the Forex market on the non-farm payroll. The Forex market on the non-farm payroll, which is the first Friday of every month, they have an event in America called the non-farm payroll. Look it up, whatever. But when the non-farm payroll happens, we see flash crashes or flash push-ups, or the market just shoots up and it shoots down and it shoots down. You know,
Oh,
and
this is the
it has these
volatility.
really weird
This
violent
is the
moves.
seesaw.
Bitcoin didn't get that
gonna bounce
non-farm
off that
payroll
and go
blast
higher
up
than
yet,
16.
but this is how it always starts off. The market goes green, big,
This
red,
is volatility.
red, green. And it's just like it's bouncing back and forth, and then it picks a direction, and people get wrecked.
15 to
Right? So I'm excited about seeing. I'm excited to see some actual traders that don't own Bitcoin get wrecked. Right?
Yeah. Exactly what I was
We've gotten wrecked. I'm pretty sure all of you've gotten wrecked before. It's time for them to share some of that wreck. Everybody, please hit like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Russian Gangster, what's up, man? NJ in the house. New Jersey, what's up, New Jersey? What's up? Salute, New Jersey. Los Angeles. Bitcoin Go. The CBOE website is broken. Can other people confirm this? Because I'm not clicking off of this page. This is where the action is at. All right? You telling me to go to CBOE website is like, you know, I got to get up in the movie theaters and walk past everybody. I'm staying right here, brother. Come on. I'm not switching off of this. We can talk in the comments and stuff. This is where it's at. Matter of fact, let me move it over here. No, let me just slim it down.
That's the institutional investors.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Real Bitcoin, but Bitcoin.
Or I could just leave it the same size and pull up a smaller chart.
Yep.
But if they
CPO
bet on Bitcoin being successful,
Yeah, let's really see what's happening. Nah. I usually don't look at the 15 and all this because these charts, they're simply noise machines. You know, they'll have you drawing up a bunch of levels and doing a bunch of technical analysis for a trend that is very weak, very temporary. So I don't really look at these 15, 30 minutes unless it's like a flash crash and I'm trying to get a really clean entry. So I don't normally look at these. I'm not a day trader. I'm more so of a swing trader. But on events like this is where you can really see the action. All right. Let's look at the 5 minute. I know the 5 minute, it looks insane. Oh, but notice we got a push down into the moving averages. I'm using a 7 and a 14 moving average. All right. There's some science behind that. If you like and subscribe and turn on post notifications, whoa. I'll break it down. Ooh. Yo, this thing is about to go crazy, man. Hold up. I'll break the science of it down. But notice we got to pull back even on a lower time frame, even on a 5 minute time frame. We got to pull back, all right, into the moving average, the quicker moving average, which is the 7. All right, we got the market respected the moving average and is now trying to use this moving average as a form of support. Will it get to use this moving average as a form of support? Who knows? I just noticed I've been holding these snacks for like 15 minutes now.
CBOE opens with the biggest 5 minute candle.
Oh, that's what I should have did. I should have went to Twitter and to the BitMEX wreck joint and see who's getting wrecked on shorts. I know that is funny right now. That's another place where the action is at. Everybody, please hit like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. If we already broke one part. We got 100 live viewers. If we get 100 likes on the stream and you guys follow me on Chase That Coin, all right, I will do a giveaway tomorrow of 100 Obsidian to celebrate our 100 live viewers. You're probably like, what the hell is Obsidian? I don't want that shit coin. Sell it for Bitcoin. Easy. Or just sit on it, forget about it in a couple months, sell it for even more Bitcoin when it goes up. Giveaway, it's free, man. Come on, cut it out. Don't be bougie on me. Don't be bad and bougie on me, man. Come on. We grew up together, man. We grew up together. All right, so anything can happen from here, though, guys. Anything can happen from here. I don't like to do technical analysis from these really low time frames because, you know, you're going to be doing analysis on really, really weak trends. All right, some of them would be okay, but you're going to be doing analysis on pretty much temporary weak trends. Now we could get on this current candle that is going to close in 1 minute, 6 seconds. We could get a continuation down to the bear side. I don't know. I know on most of the charts, this thing is looking.
So it jumped up $1,200 in 7 minutes.
This thing is looking like Mufasa, king of the jungle right now. You see these long wicks? Let me give you a quick principle of long wicks. Well, they more so apply on a higher time frame. Let's do it on a daily. These long wicks like this, and you don't have to be a trader, right? Well, that wasn't the best one. But when the market creates a very long wick, that means the market pushes up and it pulls back and it closes low and it just creates a long wick. Eventually, the market will look to fill that wick out. Whether it falls a little bit first and then comes up, the market will look to fill that wick out because the market has to test the strength of that level. That long wick is representing that there's a lot of resistance there. So the market is not going to take anybody's word for it. It's going to test those levels, pushing back up into those long wicks. All right. There's not much technical analysis we could do right here because, this is just an event where it's like, anything can happen. This is like the non-farm payroll in crypto right now. For those of you who are not familiar, non-farm payroll is an event that happens the first of every month, all right, in America. It affects the Forex market violently. People make months' salary in that one day because of the violent nature of the candles on that day, all right? So people wait for it to spike down, and then they get in and they just ride it up, ride that long wick up, all right? So the market seems like it ramped up for something, all right, but then it slowed, right? So the good thing about this candle is we are on the daily time frame. This candle on the daily time frame is going to close at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, all right? When this candle closes at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we are going to get a better sense of what the market is going to do. Let me make a prediction here, all right? This is technical analysis. None of this is set in stone, right? But from my experience of trading, all right, Forex, trading cryptocurrencies, I've been in this for 3 years. I'm not a noob to this, all right? From my experience of trading, if we get multiple rejections off of a key level on the Fibonacci, all right, the most two important levels on the Fib are the 38 and the 61, all right? This is an addition. I don't want to get into the history of this right here, but the most important numbers are the 38 and the 61. If we get multiple rejections off of the 38, all right, and multiple rejections off of the quicker moving average being the 7, and we get a push towards the upside, once we break the top of the body of this candle, there is going to be very little resistance at all-time high. Once we break and close, not just breaking, like peekaboo, none of that. Once we break and close above the top of the body of these candles, there's going to be very little resistance here. And that's going to entice, people. The futures are going to be live. That's going to entice BitMEX traders. People call it crackmex because, you get addicted to that stuff. That's going to entice BitMEX traders to go long Bitcoin, go long 2x Bitcoin. This is going to encourage heavy leverage, man. I don't think you should trade cryptocurrency on margin, nor do I think you should short cryptocurrencies. But who am I? NY Crypto Pro, what's up? Bam. So the market looks like it's ramping up. All right. Nothing really happened. We still got a good strong stream. All right, but anything can happen, baby. Anything can happen.
Yeah, I thought that would happen too. No.
But this thing is strong. All right, so we got a rejection. All right, this candle could have gave us a continuation to the bear side. This candle still can give us a continuation to the bear side. Some people that do technicals may argue against this because of some of the base principles of continuations, whether it be to the bear side or the upside. But if this thing continues down and it closes below, definitely closes below this wick, I'm going to consider that to be a continuation to the bear side. And we may see a little dip or the price may stay flat. But since it's rejecting this, I'm expecting a break. And the way the market works, all right, once we break this candle right here and we close above the top of this wick, it's like free range. All right, let's look at it. Let's back up and look at it. The next real level would be here. Trying to back test this level to see if it's strong. It's hard to back. This is why I don't do technicals on small, really low time frames. But the market has reacted to this level. So the only real resistance is almost $1,000 away. Oh, you see that? You see it? It's pumping. We pumping. We slowly pumping. All right. So once we eat this big red candle up and close above this point, free range. Free range. Boom. Roadman Shack. Yo. Everybody like and subscribe. Hit post notifications. All right. Follow me on Twitter at ChaseThatCoin. I post charts there. I post funny crypto stuff, serious crypto things. All right. Come and join our group, the Crypto Chasers. The link is in the description below. We started this group this week and we are growing very quickly. It is not a group for calls. It is a group for us to talk about Bitcoin, altcoins, trading, hodling, ICOs here and there. It's not a place for you to come and pump your coin or a place for me to give you guys calls. It's not for that. It's for me to help you guys and talk to you guys. I give away free tools. I gave away a free Excel spreadsheet with live coin market cap data. It has 3D.
Okay, guys, I'm getting a report that I'm lagging a lot more.
As far as which coin is the biggest, the most percentage of your portfolio. It breaks down the coins as far as what do you hold more of, whether it be a currency like Bitcoin or Monero, or whether it be an asset, all right, or whether it be a token, or you can name it whatever you want. But if there's pie charts, there's live data. You can plug your coins in there. I gave that away yesterday. That will be back, all right? I pinned it in the group. Everybody in the group got to test it out first.
To do it.
That will be back with the launch of the site, ChaseThatCoinTrading.com.
For cryptocurrencies,
along with some free PDFs
not just
too.
Bitcoin. It's a moment where we can sit back and say, for the first time.
Now I know why people freak out when they're trading. Day traders freak out.
Really, I know people want to
low time frames.
I honestly want
those things are scary, man.
Cryptocurrencies.
The 4 hour is
but
beautiful.
What Bitcoin is going to do is it's going to legitimize
the 4 hour is
the concept of
beautiful for
cryptocurrencies.
Bitcoin. I just want to
showing
see
that
a
it's
clean
been
break.
functioning since
And
2009.
notice,
and along with that as well, it's going to open the door for massive amounts of
I drew this line up on the 5,
that is going to be flowing out of
the line is so clean, and
two,
since I back tested it and made sure that the line was a clean line, the market even on the 4 hour is reacting to
really
it.
interesting.
I'm pretty sure I can go down to the daily. The daily candles are bigger, so it probably it's not going to react as much. But once we close these points, man, there's a couple key points that we're really close. But once we close them,
really invest in one. That
Bitcoin is going to take off.
So I'm
right. In my opinion, the key point to pass.
Really excited to see the potential.
It's 17,371. You might say all-time high is up here. Yes, it
Tito,
is. But
don't
once
try to
we
trade
break
this if,
the bodies of the
advice,
candle, which usually indicate the real level of resistance,
say probably
all right?
Stay out of trading. If you're long term,
the rest of the candle is just free range.
You don't hold any Bitcoin.
So we break the top and close above the top of this. I'm expecting a test of the all-time high. We test the all-time high and break the all-time high. 27K, 35K are the next Fibonacci levels.
Check it out.
No, 26K and 35K
because I did see that
are the
one
next two Fibonacci extensions.
Oh no, it's
what
not
are you
working.
Gonna buy?
This is the end.
I hope you're gonna say nothing because don't spend your
Bitcoin. I don't think it's working right now. Or maybe it might be updated.
I mean, I think it's cool to spend your Bitcoin, right? I think it is cool. At some point we're gonna have to start spending Bitcoin and using it. But as far as right now, it's not really the best idea. Even though I did shave a little bit off the top, but instead of going to my own personal money, let Bitcoin pay for my finishing my website and finishing for the little tools and different things that I'm doing to make the channel as dope as I think it could and should be. So that's just point shaving right off the top.
Yeah, that stinks. I wish we could get a feed of the.
Join our Telegram group. Link is in the description below.